In this video, I'll show you how to use CPAGRIP in 2023. I'll cover briefly how you can sign up, we'll cover the features on the website, and then I'll show you one of the best methods that you can use as a beginner to start earning money today. So first you need to go to cpagrip.com, and if you haven't already, you need to go ahead and register in the top right hand corner for an account. So click on register and create your account. To create your account, all you need to do is enter in these fields here, including your first name, last name. You don't need a company, you don't need a website. What you do need, which you might not have already, is a Skype username. So you can just go ahead and create one of those for free. Then where did you hear about us? You don't need to enter this, but I would recommend you write here YouTube tutorial so they know that you understand what the website is. It will just give you a better chance of being approved if you're from a country where they don't always approve instantly. So once you've created your account and you've logged in, you'll then be taken to the CPAGRIP dashboard. Now here on the left, you've got some of these tools which we're going to use in a second. The first thing you see on the dashboard is the chat log, and you can see people here are actually making money with CPAGRIP and they're entering commands to show how much money they're making. This person here has made $351 all time. This person's made $4,000. So people are actually making money with this. This person's made $92 today. And if you scroll up here, we've got Wheat with $187,000 all time. So it is legit. I get people asking me if CPAGRIP is legit. It is 100% legit. You just have to find the traffic, and I'm going to show you a free traffic method in a second, so stick till the end. You've then got your stats overview, which will give you live overviews about your stats, including views on your links, clicks, and leads, and also the revenue that them leads would make you. Now, the way that you make money through CPAGRIP is by these offers. So if you go to offer tools and then go to my offers, I'll just show you around the offers and show you how it works. So I'm going to change my country here to the US, and here we can see all of these US offers. Now, if we just go ahead and click on this, we can preview the offer. So this is an offer which you need to drive traffic to, but it's only allowed for Android traffic in the US. And if someone enters in this giveaway by clicking on gift cards and entering in their email, you will earn $2.06. You can see here, you know that by the email submit button here. This one is another email submit. It's a survey website. And if you get people to go to this website and then enter in their email, you will then earn $1.71. So what you need to do, you need to choose an offer that you want to promote. Now, a famous one that a lot of people promote is this one here, and it's a $750 PayPal gift card offer. You can see it pays $2.05 after someone enters in their email. So you can copy this link, and if you are in the US, you can preview this landing page. If you're outside of the US, you're going to need a VPN to do so. You can see I've pasted in this link here now, and it probably isn't going to work for me because I'm outside of the US. But all I need to do is open up a VPN, and it can be the free VPN. It doesn't have to be a paid one like ExpressVPN. You can then change your location to the United States. And now you're connected to the US, you can then copy this link again, open it in a new tab and paste. And here you can see we've now previewed the landing page, and if we answer these questions here, you can see all your traffic has to do is answer them 3 questions, enter in the first, last name and email, and you will earn $2.05. So now here's how you can send free targeted traffic to this offer, and so you can start earning some money. So the first thing that I would do is copy this link and open up a website like tinyurl.com. This will just shorten your link. So if you paste in your long link here, you can then go ahead and make that a tiny URL. And here is this tiny URL, which will then redirect to your long CPAGRIP link. So we can now copy this shortened link, and now we can promote it. So the way I would promote it is by going to Facebook. And because this is a free giveaway, I will type in something like free giveaway, or free stuff, or free things online, or how to get free stuff. Then you want to go ahead and go to groups. And here you see all of these groups with big followings. So this one's got 38,000 people in it. This one's got 5,000. And you can find a lot of these. So you want to go ahead and open up relevant groups. And you can do this for all of these groups with all of these different keywords. There's thousands of free groups. Then if you go to these groups, we're not actually going to post in them. What we're going to do is we're going to go to people. Then we're going to scroll down. And here we can see all of these people who are new to the group, who have just joined 9 minutes ago. So what we need to do is go ahead and message these people so you can open their profiles in a new tab. And these are people who are looking for gift cards right now. like recently, like gift cards have recently been on their mind. So you go to their profile, you go to message, and then you can simply drop them a message and say something like, hey, I've got a 750 gift card giveaway that I've entered. I'm sharing it with this group. Here's the link. And then you would paste in your tiny URL link here. Then you can do this for 100 people, and say you only get 10 people to enter. Well, then you've made 10 times $2.05, which is $20. That's a basic method on CPAGRIP. You can also go into other monetization tools like content lockers, and where you can lock a file. This is great if you have like a file you want to lock, and if you want to get people to do surveys before they get to your file. For example, here's a file locker I created, and if you go to templates, you can filter through these and choose different templates. And when someone clicks on I am not a robot, they will then have to do an offer. You can see they can then do one of these offers, and one of these offers happens to be the offer that we were promoting before. When they do one of these offers, we will then get paid, and they'll get redirected to whatever link you put here. So comment down below if you've got any questions. That's been the video.